This is second map raid, and this is the final kill. I mean second map express.